for changing your code in every way. We have to check, for example, if version 1 has 16-bit, if this 16-bit is in version A, now in version B or 1.2 version you will have 32 bits. In industry mostly we will write a code in version 1.1, 1.2, it is get updated every time. So if it changes, then parameterization is must use concept, a very important concept. So here is the syntax. So here syntax is for this width count, it is a variable. Here it is our module. Inside our module we are just changing our width with the help of our parameter, and wherever you will see this hash thing before your ports, we use this hash and whatever parameter you need inside our module. This thing will change our count as a width -1. -1 is like, for example, if it is 7:0, means it is 8. Total size is 8-bit. Okay, so this is width -1. So 8 - 1, it is 7:0. Okay, then it is 7:0, and you will get your count as a 7:0 8-bit. And whenever you want to change, I will tell you two ways to change the values of this width parameter without using the actual module. We will change with the help of testbench. Okay, so this is the simple syntax. You can just include your parameter hash parameter, and you can give this to any variable. You can write this parameter inside the module as well. Like you can write here parameter and equal width like this. You can write here as well. But if you want to change in runtime or means compilation time, then you have to write here. So where can the parameter be used? First we will answer this question, then we will change the value of parameter. So where can parameter be used? Port width. The previous example, port width we have used. Register size, as I said. Second example, like it is module, and inside that, if you want any array or any, you can change the parameter. Simple thing. If A is 1:0, then you can write A, for example, P for parameter -1:0. This thing you can do anywhere you can change this value parameter. Memory dimension, for example, this is memory. The simple thing, one another bracket will come, and A -1:0, A -1:0. This is our memory then. Okay, loops limit, for loop, and you have understood the loop thing in many languages, the same thing. Computation and constant expression. Okay, now if you have written a function, and you have some kind of thing, and you want some or any expression, you can say any expression, and in expression you need a variable, for example pi. You can just write the parameter pi here and into whatever you want, into a or anything. So this function, this computation will be done every time this function will use this pi value. So this kind of thing, constant expression.